Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com and I'm here with another interview question. And the question is, what do you understand by object cloning and how do you achieve it in Java? So basically, if you have to copy an object, that is called as cloning. And in the previous tutorials, we talked about shallow copy and deep copy. So similarly, this is the third way of copying an object. What is cloning? It is the process of creating an exact copy of an object. Means you are creating another object which is similar to your previous object. Okay. In order to support this, a Java class has to implement a clonable interface, and this particular interface is available in the java.lang package. And as you know, this package you don't have to explicitly import, it has already been imported. So you have to implement this clonable interface, and in this clonable interface, you have a method called clone that you have to override in your class, and you can provide your own definition of what kind of exact copy are you looking for. This is the definition of how the clone method looks like. So it's of the type protected, and the return type is object. The name of the method is clone, and it throws this kind of exception. So it has a potential to throw clone not supported exception. And what it returns, it basically gives you a copy of that object. Okay, so this is the definition of the clone method. Now, when do you get this clone not supported exception? So the reason you get this exception is if you are just overriding the clone method and you are not implementing that interface. The interface is the clonable interface. If you're not implementing that interface and you are just overriding the clone method, this is the time when you are going to get this exception. So in case the clonable interface is not implemented and just the method is overridden, it results into this type of exception, and the name of the exception is clone not supported exception. Okay, so what is the purpose of cloning? Basically, if you have to create a exact copy of an object, that is called as the cloning. That is the process of cloning when we have talked about deep and shallow cloning. And in order to clone an object, you have to implement this interface called clonable interface, which has a method called clone method, and you have to override that method in your class. So this is the interview question that I have for you. I'm going to come up with another interview question in the next video, so stay tuned for that, and thank you very, very much. Have a nice day.